Aubrey.
Hello, crypto man.
I have a great opportunity. You invest $1,000 today and it gives you 1% per day for the rest of your life, forever.
What? Wow.
But you have to be quick. There are limited places available. Send me your money and I'll secure your spot.
Let me send you the money. Check your bank account.
I see your money. I'm going to secure that immediately. We're gonna be rich. 5 mistakes to avoid when investing in cryptocurrency. I've personally made all of these mistakes. I've even made some more. So please let me know in the comments below which ones you've made and which other ones that I didn't talk about you've also made. Mistake number 1. If you hear any of the following: double your money, payouts per day or per week, or even build a team of investors, I would very strongly advise you to run for the hills. The problem here is the fact that if you start with 3 people and they double, and then that doubles, and then that doubles, it doesn't take very long for you to sign up the entire earth. Yes, you've heard me, the entire earth. That means all 7 billion people are part of your program. It doesn't really add up, and it's not possible. And the other thing that you do not know about these systems are usually that as long as new people come in, they can pay everyone else back. I've lost thousands of dollars in systems like this. It is very dangerous. Stay away. Let's look at mistake number 2. Using non-custodial wallets where you are not in control of your top secret key, your 12-word key phrase. And there's a big problem with this because you are in exactly the same situation. You are using a central bank to keep all of your money inside. And then I only have one question. Why are you in crypto? The solution to this is to get a decentralized wallet or a non-custodial wallet where you are in control of your private key, your 12-word key phrase. This means your wallet is registered on the blockchain itself. You are in full control of your money. I'll link a video here on why it's so important to get this right. But in my opinion, just get a non-custodial wallet out of the gates whenever you start investing in cryptocurrency. Let's look at the next mistake. Buying when the price is already very high. Your friends are there and they're like, yeah, you can see the market bottomed out. We're on the way up. And as the market moves forward, it flatlines a bit and they're like, don't worry, we know this. It's going to go up. This will go to the moon. And guess what? You're like, my goodness, they're right. Wow, okay. And they're like, yeah, but we bought in already. You must buy in. And you're like, yeah, let me just wait a bit. And then yes, do you know what? It takes a bit of a dip, but then it goes up. And it carries on, and you're like, yes. Do you know what? Yes, I'm gonna buy in, and you buy in. And you know what? It actually goes up more, but it goes against you. But everybody's like, don't worry. Everything's okay. Everything's gonna go okay. And then the next minute, this happens. Ouch. So there's no other way of saying this. But you cannot buy into a market if you yourself are not 100% sure of what's going on, what is the situation. Do not buy on FOMO. After you made the mistake, you are a prime candidate for the next crypto mistake. So listen carefully, very carefully. Panic selling because it's going wrong. Everything is a mess. You didn't tell your wife about the money. You borrowed money from somewhere else. You are in a panic. You don't know what's going on. And right here, I want to say, stop. Make sure before you sell. Is the market going down because the price is very high and it's just rectifying? Is it actually going down because there's a problem? There could be many reasons. Make sure that you're not just getting out to try and save your investment. This will set you up for yet another mistake. And that's the problem with most of these mistakes. If you start making one, it usually tends to lead you onto making more and more mistakes. So I'm really glad you watching this video. So give it a like if it's helped you up until now. But now, if a famous person, a celebrity, tweets something about any cryptocurrency, do not buy, sell, jump in the market unless you know exactly what effect that person's opinion will have on that specific cryptocurrency. So make sure that you understand each and every one of these mistakes, and don't feel bad if you make them. We all make, but beware. Comment your worst mistake down below, and I'll see you over there.